Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifier, Home Dehumidifier 40 pints for basements with drain hose for space up is a robust solution for anyone struggling with excess moisture in their home, particularly in basements and other humid areas. From the moment you set it up, its efficiency becomes evident. With a 40-pint capacity, this unit effectively removes moisture, making a noticeable difference in air quality and comfort. One of the standout features is its built-in drain hose, which allows for continuous drainage without the need for frequent emptying of the water tank. This is especially valuable for larger spaces, where humidity levels can fluctuate significantly. Simply connect the hose to a floor drain, and the unit takes care of the rest. The water tank itself is also designed with convenience in mind, featuring a clear window that allows you to easily monitor the water level. The compact design of the dehumidifier means it fits seamlessly into any corner of your basement or utility area without taking up too much space. Despite its size, it packs a punch when it comes to performance. The machine operates relatively quietly, making it suitable for spaces where noise might be a concern, such as home offices or bedrooms. In terms of energy efficiency, this model shines as well. It uses less power than many other dehumidifiers in its class, making it an eco-friendly choice that won't significantly affect your electricity bill. The user-friendly control panel allows for easy adjustments, and the built-in humidity sensor works accurately to maintain your desired humidity levels. Overall, the Home Dehumidifier 40 pints from SpaceUp offers impressive performance combined with practical features. It effectively combats dampness, prevents mold growth, and enhances overall air quality. For anyone looking to invest in a reliable dehumidifier, this model is a fantastic option that delivers on its promises. Whether in a basement, laundry room, or any high humidity area, this unit is sure to enhance your living environment.